So here in this video we will study about the topic photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? How it takes place? What are the necessary raw materials needed for this process? So the very first, the word photo means light and synthesis means process. What plants need to make food? The raw materials needed by plant are carbon dioxide, sunlight and water. Carbon dioxide is taken from stomata. Stomata means the small tiny pores present on the surface of leaf. Sunlight from sun, water and other minerals from soil. As you can see here in the figure that the roots are absorbing water. The work of roots is to absorb water and supply it up to the stem. Then it goes to the leaf and small pores present on the surface, so called stomata. They absorb the water and carbon dioxide too. The sunlight is also absorbed by the green leaves because of the presence of pigment chlorophyll. So the leaves are also known as the food factory of the plant because the work of leaf is to store food. What do we call the manufactured food? Suppose the reaction so involved here is carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight gives glucose plus oxygen. Glucose is the manufactured food, so called starch. Starch is the manufactured food. Here in example, in place of carbon dioxide we can take potato. When we boil a potato in water adding some other materials in it, we get a product dish. So the work is done by the plant. It takes raw materials to prepare its own food, and it is only possible in green plants because they have the pigment so called chlorophyll. In the absence of chlorophyll, plants can't prepare their own. So here are the results of our previous activity, what we did in crop production. You can see the seeds of wheat are grown here, but in this part of the field the seeds are not grown. This shows that the part of the field which is not receiving raw materials properly, the seeds will not germinate, and the part of the field which gets raw materials, particularly carbon dioxide, sunlight and water, that part will germinate. And this is how plants make their own food.